Bhoothathankettu is a dam and tourist spot in Ernakulam district in Indian state Kerala. It is among the most picturesque dams in Kerala. It is situated outside the village of Pindimana, about 10 km away from the town of Kothamangalam and 50 km away from the main city of Kochi. Large blocks of unshaped stones are placed on both sides of the Periyar river to form the dam, making it look like a natural dam built by superhumans. The name Bhoothathankettu in Malayalam means monster fort. Past generations believed that monsters planned to submerge the Trikkaryu temple, whose presiding deity is Lord Shiva, by making a dam in the Periyar river and flooding the area. Suspecting trickery, the omnipotent Lord Shiva came up with a plan to deter them. He faked the approaching dawn by a rooster's sound. The demons, fearing the arrival of light, fled the place. To this day there is a visible proof of their effort, where you can see the boulders which the demons were supposed to have rolled onto the riverbed, the old Bhoothathankettu. The Periyar flows on through the narrow space which the demons did not quite manage to dam up. Reality has been attributed to two great floods, one in the 4th century and the other in 1341, which threw open the port of Kochi. The massive landslides during the flood are believed to have caused gigantic rocks to roll down from the mountain and become entrenched in the old Bhoothathankettu. The original natural dam has been supplemented by a modern dam impounding the Bhoothathankettu Reservoir or Thattekad Reservoir. A boat ride here is a beautiful way to explore the natural beauty located nearby, the legendary Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary, Thattekad. There is a nature walk trail after the dam through thick growth to the old Bhoothathankettu, which is very refreshing, and the return path is parallel to the river. However, the water is very deep and strong undercurrents. The two main irrigation projects of Ernakulam district, the Periyar Valley Irrigation Project and the Idmalayar, are also located nearby. Idmalayar Dam is 14 km drive through the thick jungle from Bhoothathankettu Dam. You can find many picnic spots along the way. Apart from the fact that this land is deemed reserve forest, the area has a huge elephant and tiger population, so it is not advisable for people to picnic anywhere along this route. It is forbidden to use the stretch without permission. Bhoothathankettu new bridge, built parallel to the Bhoothathankettu Dam, was opened to the public for transportation on 10th June 2020. Which location you want see in the coming videos? Comment below and please subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.